Sparky Marky.
Welcome to the monthly assessment, Dr. Barlow.
Very nice. And that's why you distracted me from my work. Weird. Why is there no one here?
I don't know what a kakao so okay. Ang mga saking laksyon niya so. Okaru. Islami. Kasi ang mga saking. Ayaw ano akdami. Kasi ano. Pasimijing ako po.
And for this, I graduated from MIT.
1.
Can't believe it.
The training simulator is activated. Mandatory safety briefing in Amber Spark, no exit allowed. You are to pass through 8 rooms learning key part work features. Welcome, employees.
Seriously? Did you think this would impress me?
Common handleless auto doors to open. Enhance safety with fingerprint scanners.
Spil ясартиннеране и
Go to the next room. Activate power in park houses manually if system malfunctions. Power stations, fuel doors, light and amber stores across the park. Great job. Master Amber Spark signage first. It guides you with colored lines, pointers, wires, both indoors and outdoors. Crucial for successful duty fulfillment.
Oh, come on. Who's here? Susie, is this a new part of the training?
Trainerinde Suniakta Dạ vâng ổ.
Doors auto-close at night to prevent unwanted behavior. Get hacking app for emergency door unlocking. Consult tech specialists or buy it from app terminals located around the park.
Şimdi yakpika hayıparın.
Park doors with Amber's watch. Open app, choose nearest door. Need an Amber's watch? Contact supply department.
Roo kuosuunuks. Toharaavissaq fysikko. Näitäkö neko? Beep. Voisi sammisidikkomaa massakongit. Hakki. Aduh.
Go to the next room.
Susie, what's going on?
The security service should implement quarantine measures and clean the territory. I repeat, the security service should
Satu sampai itu.
Susie, take me to the exit. Susie! Damn AI!
Damn AI. 비스니악신난 깔싹봉아. 나 비스징인 낙바스리 어원 징우싱리랑. 나봐. takak ba? Takas sa rock ito. Ito ko. Diyan na siya mitako pa siya mak. Masuk kong ito kasi yun. Nasunok ito kong gila.
My God, what happened here? Hey, is anyone alive?
Tamang may takong likop. Pisiniak sindang nga pisiniak mo kakak sangat. Hacker ko sasak sindang kaya mo. Yung nagkisunanak suji. Nakakingasang. Wag. Hakingas. Takut ni kong kasunak so. Akpon. Hacking asa. Initok siya pa nga hacker ni siya no. Tawa hacker ka lang ito siya ni mga kakasyo nga. Taping ako rin, kaktira reaksyon. Ito sokak ba? Bilang sinakpas lang nga kaya gusto ko tingiwas lang. Tak push. Okay. Beep. Hacker 어디서 강 나가죠? Dom box. Ako sa kangin na mga dan na mayak to kan. Ito kanin no. Okay. Ako siya na sunod. 지금 이렇게 헤어로 확점이 야, 막 이시용 악산 연방sak aksyong yun. Kangatak. Mamitamas lang Pilinakang na yaksakat. Saktsip po nga.
You're here to track Sparky. Don't worry, Sparky is located in a special chamber that neutralizes most of its psi abilities. Normally, they keep it invisible to the test subject. If an employee unintentionally acquires the marker, report to the security department with Sparky's position. Use specially configured tower viewer to monitor Sparky's location. Adjust tower viewer using the hacking app following the protocol.
Susie, where are the watchers on duty?
In rooms, use marker gun on special dummies to transfer marker if unintentionally acquired. Never use marker gun on other Amber Spark employees under any circumstances.
Okay.
Dr. Barlow, I remind you that the result of your certification depends on the time you spent on completing test tasks.
What the? There's a monster roaming around the complex and I'm still testing? Go to hell, Susie.
Great job. Go to the next room.
So
Jump into the pit. This room tests for physical fitness. Amber Spark employees navigate challenging areas, requiring acceptable physical preparedness.
What? There's no way I'm doing this. What the hell are they preparing us for? Spark is completely crazy.
Use heal gun to proceed with instruction. Injured? File complaint with Park Safety Department after briefing.
Believe me, you will not get off with one complaint.
Go to the next room.
sudah na tingawan. Iyo pa ron. Spill yan. Sok sa kudak na lang na akpasito as.
Observe Sparky's side effects from a safe distance. Special cell restrains Sparky but allows side influence. Approach closer for instructional purposes. Maintain distance. Sparky does not pose a lethal threat to people without the marker. Failure to keep safe distance may cause disorientation. Stay safe.
Susie, what the hell? All the monsters must be in mentally shielded boxes. Being in an ordinary cage, it can easily take control of me.
Wow. Tama ka na chingilak sa'yo, matok-tak ko ah. Yun, isa ko dapat sang, ito.
Susie, note in the certification protocol, I was against the cruel treatment of the experimental object, but you forced me. Susie, give the signal. Another monster has broken free. Announce evacuation immediately.
You don't have the authority for such a requirement. Until the certification is completed, your admission is invalid.
Hate you.
Hate you! Takbo nga, hindi may corner sa kanak siya nga. Dapat makakakakso kasi yun. Naku, tanong ako lang. Tama rin nun. Medyo sure ka.
One day the public will find out about your dirty deeds in this damn camp. I swear, if not me, then someone else will shed light on this terror.
Hello, Quazonox. Akta sa kaya kang galangon. Bisa kaya kang galam. Nambala ka. Dava? Jeg må ut til saker og det sendte meg kinderen. Så, takk for at dere er på dekk. Der var under med der. Synes jeg kan?
Ouch!
I'm sorry, I was confused. Sorry, Sandra. Here you go. This should help.
Not only is this place already against me, but you, Ethan? Cut it out! We have to stick together!
Ano siya na?
Experience noted for future employee briefings. Let's move to the next part of the briefing.
Inumaya magkapichitak siya nga. Sumayak si Tuwak pa. Ano ka niya? Maro, paano ako dang ito? Nakanis. Tabang ako. Sumip ko nga. Makakareaksyon ko. Asa ka danig? Ito siguro na reaksyon ko. Reaksyon. I found the secrets. I'm back.
Approach closer for instructional purposes. Maintain distance.
You're a mental object, but you forced me. Ouch! Are you out of your mind?
I'm sorry, I was confused. Sorry, Sandra. Here you go. This should help.
Not only is this place already against me, but you, Ethan? Cut it out. We have to stick together.
Max. Oh my god, Max het siguro reaksjonen. Dawa, tayo ko
In case of Sparky's uncontrollable
Damn.
employees,
Easy,
a
Sandra.
park employee
You have to
must
focus.
intervene.
You have to get
Determine
back to your
monster
son.
Type inside Sparky, indicated by gate, walker, levitator, jumper, or spinner. Once familiarized, proceed to the next room.
Some scary daddy be the auto me. Jump.
Broken and empty printing machines can indicate the gastronomic preferences of the monster inside Sparky. Another indicator for determining the monster type. Analyze Sparky's use using the chemical gun. Human food triggers reactions and secretions. Prefer eating spots. Secluded, dark basements. Conduct analysis in the basement.
These creatures also love innocent children for lunch. Can we talk about this, Susie?
Dark basement. Of course, she imagine that shot. Yeah. Ruokas junanoks. No water. Shoo. Nope. Yung anak to si Masangaron, nagpawasak na kaya mo kasi.
I've never been in this wing.
Log entry 3476. Dr. Bennett is here. We're tracking sonic anomalies left by the monsters. The patterns are emerging. Anger, apathy, fear, sadness, all from sound. Terrifyingly ingenious. Now Dr. Spark, our guiding light. His genius is the driving force behind us. Admittedly, he does play favorites.
Nice. Oh, Jacksui.
Log entry 3498. My new portable sound analyzer is ready. We need to face these sounds to understand, to gain control. My colleague, Dr. Price, he's chasing shadows, or so I think. Some runes, marks, a lamp to see them. Is that even productive? Only time will tell.
아이씨.
Of course, everyone wants to get the Nobel Prize so much that they completely forgot about scientific ethics. However, it looks like Spark is really close to a breakthrough.
Matamas. 잠깐만. 필요하네?
Log entry 2124. Dr. Price is here. These monsters, they leave a mark, a rune. It's not visible to the human eye, but my studies show they're ever present. A sign of possession, perhaps? Or a warning to their own kind. Now about Dr. Spark, the man who fuels our scientific pursuits. His mind, truly remarkable. Though I often wonder why he wastes his time with certain, shall we say, less focused colleagues.
Okay.
Log entry 2137. I've been perfecting a unique device. A lamp that can illuminate the hidden runes left by the monsters. I believe these runes hold the key to understanding them, to controlling them. Dr. Bennett, on the other hand, obsessed with sound, with noise. Does he really think these monsters can be understood through their cacophonies? We'll see.
마지막 보고 에피소드 이쯤이 됐다고 하니까 다음 에피소드 이쯤에
I'm sorry, Dr. Price, but seeing runes doesn't mean being able to decipher them. And in this matter, you are a real layman. I wouldn't even trust you to drive a scooter, let alone control monsters.
friendshiping yok. Ilpatoon na pitangan yakta yakasot siya naman yaktayakin niya ma. Tavo ng oras na.
Log entry 2148. I've detected potent rune activity in one of the test chambers. If you're listening to this, you're tasked to investigate it. Take my rune lamp. Reveal what hides in plain sight. That's our first step to gain control. Go now to the chamber. The lamp is essential. Don't be swayed by Bennett's sound theories. True understanding lies in the runes. Trust in the lamp, and in Dr. Spark.
Serious.
It's all lies, all around. I came here to develop a cure for all diseases, and as a result, I became a participant in a new Montauk project.
Number 2 나와. Ang mahaki. No reason. Kamu naon na? Turn around.
2141. Bennett. The man has no direction, no focus, chasing shadows in his sonic reverberations. I fear he's wasting our precious resources. Yet Dr. Spark trusts in all our research. His wisdom, his faith. It's the one thing that keeps us together in this chaos.
我是没个智商党的。나와 비즈니아 안내 학교 지셨네. Hello. Nothing. Sokonye. Magbiasa ka lang, yaksuga. Susa.
Log entry 3509. The time for testing is at hand. We've isolated some sonic anomalies in a secure test chamber. If you're hearing this, then it's your job to take the analyzer and find these anomalies. This is our chance. Our opportunity to understand and confront these monsters. Their sounds. Take the analyzer, enter the chamber, and listen carefully. Log your findings and stay alert. And don't worry about Price and his runes. The sound is where the truth lies, the real answers. Trust in the analyzer, trust in the process, and trust in Dr. Spark.
I see here not only Spark doesn't disdain experiments on people, it is a crime to be able to heal, but to continue to destroy.
Log entry 3502. Price is like a dog with a bone, wasting resources on his rune obsession. It's infuriating. Dr. Spark, though, he's our anchor, our lighthouse. If anyone can help us tame these monsters, it's him.
Shundon. Có điều là đọc sọc xin đọc sao ta này ta bắt kéo nó
Hey, Spark knows everything. Over here. Here is the exit.
Dr. Flores? Is that you? What exactly does Spark know? Hey! Hey, Flores?
I like this. Slangaw Dr. Flores. Katos. A stupid time. Fishes do.
Simulates emergency situations.
Yung ano kakpasin ko na.
Actions and acquired knowledge. Marker provided for enhanced simulation.
You know, Susie, if one day a truly advanced AI appears, the first thing it learns is how to hide how smart it is. What do you think? Nothing? Maybe you really are smarter than you look.
Neutralize Sparky with a special key terminal located in the park. Activate them with Keylight. Keylight can be found in residential complexes. Hack the key terminal to load Keylight depending on the type of Sparky's monster.
Rosu Nanox. Rota Nanox. Tanda mak. Siusang mertu merut aku ni kongos. Water monster. Semua dong dia Max.
According to the data from the monster database.
Ngona?
Mistake. Please install the correct key light to activate the key terminal and neutralize Sparky.
Okay.
Mistake. Please install the correct key light to activate the key terminal and neutralize Sparky. To activate the key terminal and neutralize Sparky.
Yes! Did I pass this stupid certification, Susie? What do you think?
I think you unreasonably think you're too smart, Dr. Barlow. I don't particularly care about it, but Dr. Spark asked me to tell you that he is ready to put up with any shortcomings of his employees, except for one thing, a tendency to betrayal.
I'm sorry? What kind of betrayal? What are you talking about? Hey, Susie, don't be silent. Susie! Don't you dare mention my family. You think you scared me? Tell Spark we'll meet again. Straight, right or left? Straight, right or left? Son, don't be afraid. Nothing will happen to Mom. I'll be home very soon.
Hello.
Spark, damn you. And that's what you're putting innocent children through? Don't doubt it, Spark. I'll get out. I'll get out, and you'll regret it.
God damn it. Lambat sakatan ni.
Spark, damn you. And that's what you're putting innocent children through? Don't doubt it, Spark. I'll get out. I'll get out, and you'll regret it.
Ah, god damn it. Kan aldrig då till dessa.
Spark, damn you. And that's what you're putting innocent children through? Don't doubt it, Spark. I'll get out. I'll get out, and you'll regret it.
Okay. Here we go again. Ako juga nobody senang lah. Sangat dah. Kaksa tira kayak lu. Masa pinggir apa?
Spark, damn you. And that's what you're putting innocent children through? Don't doubt it, Spark. I'll get out. I'll get out, and you'll regret it.
Amma Nabasiniasa nabasingat.
Spark, damn you. And that's what you're putting innocent children through? Don't doubt it, Spark. I'll get out. I'll get out, and you'll regret it.
Ayun na.
My boy, Mom's going to be fine.
Pwede sinas na pisin yaksak sa masasita masibay. Terus bye bye.